ditshepiso tsa morena tsona di fetogi he nako e fitlhile yena wa phethagatsa ditshepiso tsa morena tsona di fetogi he nako e fitlhile yena wa phethagatsa.
Sanibonani ibizo umchaseli isiminye sentombi zasemzingwane exhibeni kwakho kwakumayabo. Namhlanje ngiphethe intokazi icula ingoma zokholo. Kusho namhlanje nje ngizobusiswa. Kusho namhlanje ngivakashelwe ingilozi kahle kulesi studio sethu. Dadewethu ngiyakwamukela.
Ngiyabonga ukwamukela bhodi, ngibingelele kubalaleli nakubabukeli.
Usisi angasho ukuthi usisi ngubani emculweni, ngubani igama lomculo ucula umculo onjani? Yeah, into esifana
igama lami nguKendi Ncube, the queen of gospel. Ngicula igospel all the way from Ekhezi. Umculo engicula nje igospel ngiyabamba kulo nalona, but umculo engiculayo igospel.
Ngihle ngathanda lapha mayethena uyabamba kulo. Sho mhlambe kukhona eminye imculo osuke wabamba uyona before we go deep ngegospel yakho yenzayo, mhlambe ukhona imculo osuke wabamba kuyona as long as uyawafaka igama lithi ubamba.
Yes, I like exploring in music. I like featuring abanye abantu abacula different genres. So ukuze ngikhule ngibone ukuthi ngiyakhula in the industry. I like featuring, explore kweminye imiculo.
So far usuke wa featurwa usuke wa feature oba
I've featured more than 3 artists. I've featured more than 3 artists. I can't just mention now, but I featured more than 3 artists which were different genres engaso gospel.
Laba abaculi abafeatureayo, what's the thing eyenza ukuthi mhlambe wesa ukubakhuluma ngabaculi?
No, not ukuthi
ngifuna ukwazi mhlambe noma i-production yakho ayikuvumela ukumakethe omnye umuntu
not ukuthi ngisaba ukukhuluma in such.
Siyafuna nabo phela bazomangala hawu Kendi sasebenza la sefika ngale sesithi singabanye abantu sesingo ETC all of a sudden.
Yeah, ETC for now.
Yeah, so ku-gospel uKendi ufika njani ku-gospel? Sesikubona thina manje siwumculi nje omkhulu, sesikudinga ukuthi hayi siyakufuna la ku podcast yethu. Ngiyazi ukuthi uhambo lube lude until uzufike la ukuthi abantu beqale ukukurecognize. I believe ukuthi into mawunayo usuke uzelwe nayo. Ithi incwadi before uzalwa. Yeah, ningakhohlwa mhlawumbe igospel nizoza incwadi.
Ngakuthanda ngakungcwelisa okuyikuthi omunye nomunye umuntu xa esize emhlabeni uza efumbethe lokhu uNkulunkulu amnikeze khona. Nginethemba lokuthi umuntu mayezongena emculweni akusiyinto emane imile nje from nowhere. Into emila endleleni isheshe inqamuke.
Ngisho ukukhona abanye abantu uthola ukuthi uyazalwa zakhule nini sizothiwa sengumculi.
Yes, that's why nginale belief leyo ukuthi okwami ngazalwa nginakho. Ngoba baningi abantu bebuza ukuthi sisikendi kanti wena ukhona kanjani? We have been here as this year we are celebrating 10 years ngu industry. Wenza kanjani? How do you manage this? Ngithi sometimes enye into yabuvela uzelwe nayo. Into mawuzelwe nayo uyabekezela because into engaphakathi kuwe. Uyakwazi ukuyibekezelela noma ngabe uhlangana nasiphi isimo, noma ungazi uyingale uyikhalale okwaleso sikhathi, kodwa ngoba ingaphakathi kuwe, yes, izophinde ikuvuselele futhi le yanto evela ingaphakathi kuwe.
So wena ukhula ngesikhathi usesesikoleni vele usushama kwaya
ngesikhathi ngisese
okanye mhlambe into oyithathe esontweni.
Ngesikhathi ngisesesikolweni I was singing more than this. Ngesikhathi ngisesesikolweni ngisase primary ngangicula ukudlula la. I believe ukuthi mawukhula nevoice iyakhula iyaphela leyo I believe
iyaphela kayi
iyakhula being old
yeah
iba ndala nayo because
should ma wawushaba soprano lapha esikolo manje
ngisasesikolweni I was singing like ukuthi ma abantu bengibukele they will be enjoying what I'll be doing, and I was young, thin, nganginomzimba omncane. I was the smallest esikolweni, but I was singing lokho kokuthi yazini uzwe na ukuthi lo mntwana lo lento ayiculayo is from within. Yes.
So wadlula esikoleni wajoyinani enye into mhlawumbe ngathi yiyo eyagruma until thina manje sesibone ngathi you are a fine artist Susu?
You know, I wasn't groomed. That's why ngithi into mawuvela uzelwe nayo isuka ikhona ngaphakathi kuwe. I wasn't groomed. No one groomed me.
But dopi mic nje wama.
Ngahlala ngaba nayo lento yokuthi one day I will be a professional singer. I tried ukuthi ngingene la uyazi ukuthi la isiphuma khona kunzima ukuthi noma ufika kwelinyizwe uwazi ukuthi ngizothatha ini ngihlanganise nani, awazi ukuthi uzoqala phi uthini uyephi. But then ngo 2012 I don't know how it happened, but ngo 2012 that's where I started practicing for my first album. I released my first album in 2012.
What was the
yes,
title?
which I called it Kyalebuha. Kyalebuha meaning ngiyabonga. Bengibonga uNkulunkulu ngendlela angisingathe ngayo ukuze ngifezekise iphupho lami. Bengibonga ngendlela engikwaze ngayo ukwenza lento ebengingazi ukuthi ngizokwazi ukuyenza. What happened was I released my first album. Yahle yaphuma ne music video wakhona.
Okay.
And my first
lapha bekusase lesiyasikhathi kusase nama DVD.
Yes. That album was pushed in all radio stations. About Thobela FM, the Data Root of Litswalo, they pushed it. Lokho kokuthi yazi
nawe wethu ukuthi yimlo eseninje
ama local radio stations, it was pushed ngethuka because I didn't expect it. The support I got from my first album, it kept me going till today. Okokuthi noma bengingenayo isupport angazi ukuthi kube ngikuphi today, but ngendlela lomculo ongakimi ngakhona I don't think I was gonna bengayibuyele emuva.
Okay, Kyalebuha album yakho yokuqala.
Yes.
Yiyo isho ukuthi yaletha like from there wenzeni ngoba sometimes yangithi usangathuka uqala uthi sengimkhulu kangaka all of a sudden sewuqala ukuthi noma uhamba lapha abantu bethi hayi awusisikendi kanje wenzeni second album
nginokuthi isikhathi esiningi uma ngikhuluma nabantu noma ngisho kimi self ngikhuluma nami ngithi esikhathini esiningi ukuzithoba uyekela uNkulunkulu kube nguye okuholela phambili entweni zonke ozenzayo kuyazenzakalela kunye. 2012 I released my first album Kyalebuha. 2015 I released i-album ethi Musuku Khala. Anginayo i-album engenzanga kahle kula ngawakhipha.
Ngiyayithanda leyo. Yathi buka kancane ukuthi umculi esho ukuthi hayi akukhona la engenzeke esho ukuthi ngiyenza ebonga nje ukuthi akulala engenzanga kahle khona.
Yes, 2016 I did a failed album.
Ujabulela isupport yabahlali ekhaya.
Yo ngijabulela kakhulu. 2016 I did a failed album. Lapho ngenzela ukuthi ngibonise abantu ukuthi ku industry it's not all about pass. Yes, it's not all about pass. You trap and fail.
It was 2016.
2016. You trap and fail, but you wake up again.
What exactly?
Music.
What was the name of the album?
Music kuri arithwani asifani. Yes. Music industry unama challenges amaningi kakhulu, of which ungaqinanga ungabanga ngumuntu lo ukuthi uzimisele kukho konke ungagcina uwekile.
But mina as a music
as most of ama artists waboneka endleleni ngama challenges abangakwazi ukuwamela.
but mina as a music promoter I don't believe ekuthini kuyaba ne-album that failed. Maybe when you failed ukuyipusha to the right audience. Why? Yayimbi.
No.
It
failed coming from corner from a studio. Not azange iphume yaye ebantwini. Yes. Azange iphume yaye ebantwini. No.
Wabapheka numbers. Bapheka bavalele.
No. Like that's why ngithe ama challenges maningi. Yagcina ihlangahlangene yangenelwa ngama challenges kwangena okunye yaphuma ya transferela kwesinye studio yaphuma yayale yagcina ingabanga yilento ebengiqale ukuthi ngifuna ibe yiyo yagcina ngiyiyeki lendleleni.
Alright, so ayizange ibe public domain.
No.
Okay.
As I said eqaleni angaze ngifeyile ku public domain.
Okay.
Angaze ngifeyile lapho abantu
into eyafail isenziwe yachithelwa eziko
kwaphela kwachithelwa phezulu komlilo. Kwacima nje yonke into ngavele ngayiyeka.
Of which umuntu osekhaya uya understand. Ngicabanga ukuthi kunabanye abaculi asebedlule kuma challenges kanjalo uthola ukuthi umuntu uke wazama ukupheka something yaphelela endleleni use loser ihope ecabanga ukuthi hayi kimi komculo kuphelile kanti kwenzeka kunoma ngubani.
Yes, kwenzeka kunoma ngubani. That's why ngithi ikubonisa abaculi ukuthi kwenzeka ukuthi uyazama ukuthi uyapheka bese kungaphekeka. Makungaphekekanga ungalahli ithemba. Qala phansi ubase lomlilo. Uzothi mawuqala uthi uyapheka bese iyanetha imvula icima umlilo.
Uvela uthi hayi kushuthi mina ngisinto.
Makunetha imvula ungacabanga ukuthi ukukhanya kusoze kufike. Mawuqeda ukunetha imvula ilanga lizoza lishise futhi basa futhi umlilo. Ngawubasa mina 2017 nganethwa imvula 2017 ngawubasa imvula ngawubasa umlilo. Ukubasa kwami umlilo ngo2017 ngaphuma nenye ihit ukuthi namhlanje isase ihit. The album was called Jeso Kihoshi, of which till today is trending. Ithandwa ngunoma ubani. Yeah. Lokho engibonisa ukuthi noma ngathwa uyabaswa lo mlilo okuthi ufuna ukuphoselwa phakathi kwawo. Ungesabi ungene. Bamba uNkulunkulu ungene naye emlilweni. Ukwenzela ukuthi mawusiyaphola lo yamlilo uvuka usaphethe uNkulunkulu ngezandla.
Umculo wakho ngiubona utrenda eZimbabwe, eBotswana, la eSouth Africa, mhlambe naseLesotho ukuthi angikho familiar nge-media seLesotho. Yeah, but umculo wakho ngiyibona utrenda ngathi eSouthern Africa. Kwenziwa yini because most of ama gospel singers ngizwekhala ukuthi umculo wethu kunzima ukuthi siwuphushe uzufike kubantu. Yini wena into ongathi wenza ngayo actually? What's the magic?
As I was saying Buti, umculo wami ulula ukuthi utrende ngoba angikhethi balala muntu. Angikhethe emhlobo. Ngibelieve ukuthi as gospel singers akufanelanga sibe into politics too much, sibe seside neli1 le politics. Angikhethe ukuthi umuntu ukhuluma luphi ulimi, anginandaba ukuthi umumpeli, umusuthu, umuzulu, umuxhosa, umushona, umuchangana. My supporters are all equal to me. Bayalingana bonke. Angina ukuthi lo uthi umhlobo muni no. The support they giving me to me is equal. Akusibo bodwa ngisuke ngithi sometimes ngithi umndeni akusungu umndeni wakho wegazi only. Umndeni ngozakhela wona, abantu abakunakekelayo, abantu abakusupportayo, basuke abakukhathalelayo. Yes, basuke babe ngumndeni kumina because mawungabheka kuma albums wami angiculi ngelanguage e1. Ngizama uku-accommodate wonke umuntu ongisupportayo. I sing in Sepedi,
Swahili kuba sesinengoma
bese khona because I like mixing.
Yeah.
Ngiyathanda ukuthi ngimixe ukwenzela ukuthi
actually you like ukuthi ukhulume nomuntu wonke.
Ngithanda ukuthi ngikhulume nomuntu wonke. Ngiyazwisisa ukuthi noma ngabe ngikhuluma isiZulu as I sing in Sepedi liba Pedi anabele bamametse.
Yeah, that's true.
Bathi lirekibulela kaSizulu bayangizwa.
Yeah, that's true.
Ngoba nabaZulu mangicula ngeSepedi bayangizwa. Bayangisupporta futhi. So le nto lana yenza ukuthi sibe sibumbane. Singathathelana ukuthi ngoba lo uyacula isiZulu mamelwa ngabaculisi ngabazizwe loyana ucula iSpedi hayi uzomamelwa ngabacula iSpedi no ngenzela ukuthi abakhuluma iSpedi bangimamele mangicula iSulu abacula iSulu bamamela abacula iSpedi simamelane man lento lena siyenze ibe lubumbano singacwasani ngokwebala singacwasani ngokohlanga sibe into yinye.
You have albums amangaki manje?
I've got 5 now.
5. Which one is your best? Ongasho ukuthi ay ngisebenzile ukusebenza kodwa leyi ithe mayifika ay yangithulula. And why?
To tell the truth, I can't choose from all my albums. I can't choose.
Ngaphandle wale honest.
But then the comeback.
Yeah.
The comeback was very hitting. Jeso Kikhoshi was very hitting. Because namanje ngeka 2017.
Namanje sengathi.
But namanje yes, but namanje isangathi new album. Then I've got the new album now eka 2023. Nako ya Maliba. Oh. Nako ya Maliba is doing wonders. Nako ya Maliba is hitting the waves. Oh, Nako ya Maliba is the one that caught me too.
Yeah, then I had to ask around, hey, who is this woman? This woman is ngaqala ukulandela, then I saw ukuthi
wow, thank you so much. Nako ya Maliba at the right time uma uNkulunkulu sevumile. Ngiyathemba ukuthi namanje ngoba ungidinge waze wangithola uNkulunkulu bese vumile ukuthi ngize la eVG News ngizokwenza interview nawe sekuyisikhathi manje. Omunye kwangibuza usisi ku TikTok wathi kade ubekezele siyafisa ukuthi nawe uke ubonakala man ube kulabayana abantu abale phezulu.
Yeah, that's true. Nami ngisathi ngiyakuleyo question.
Ngathi yazini sisi isikhathi sebo singakafiki. Uyabona manje mase ifika leyo nto le engqondweni yakho ukuthi kufanele ngibonakale ngiye le phezulu isifikile njengoba wona sokwazi ukuthi ungifune ngingakufuni mina for interview wena ungifune isifikile sekuyiso leso sikhathi. Singabaculi thina sihamba siyayikokodela eminyango sizama ama interview sizama ama sponsors sizama ukuthola ama gigs ukuze siphile but ungabona approacheka yes ungabona approacheka ikhona lento abantu asebeqalile ukuyibona kuwena sekuyiso leso sikhathi uNkulunkulu akubeka khona ukuthi bonakala ungabona ungakafiki lapho kusho ukuthi isikhathi sakho asakafiki. Keep pushing. uNkulunkulu safuna ukubona ukuthi mangikulethela lokho kuhle othi uyakucela uzokhona ukukubamba uzokhona ukubekezelela na.
Yes, ukhona umculi mhlawumbe ngathi mina ubonelela kuye mhlawumbe your role model or someone ongasho ukuthi ay nami noma ngicula kodwa ngeke ngilalela umculo wamangilele ngalalela umculo kabani o mhlawumbe mangiseyinsiza mangiso ubani omunye umculi nawe angisho ukuthi kumele abe gospel.
You know, I prefer listening to myself. I prefer listening to myself. Ukuzimamela mina ngenzela ukungalahleki endleleni yami. I grew up listening to different artists and different genres. Umculo bengiwuthanda kakhulu ngoIPCC. Yabona iIPCC
Mihlenge yabufela.
Yeah, ne JBC ikhansela. iJBC nekhansela le ikhona le icula gospel line.
Yeah, bethi ikhansela band.
Yeah,
ibiza ikhansela band. We specialize kakhulu ku gospel music.
Yes. Those were the people bengibalalela kakhulu bese kuza ke ngathatha incandweni. I loved Incandweni. I loved uSisiwini Mashaba.
Yeah, Sisiwini.
And then njengomuntu okhulele esontweni ungalalela kahle umculo wami ku genre yesion kakhulu noma ngicula ngayiphi language noma ngicula ngayiphi language but ungidonsela le esiyonini of which kulapho engikhulele khona kulapho engicele khona everything I'm doing indonsela lapho. So mangimamela umculo I prefer listening to my own music ukwenzela ukuthi ngingalahleki endleleni yami ngingamamela kakhulu omunye umuntu umculo ngocina ngithathe kakhulu indlela yakhe yaba la kimi since ngisahamba endleleni lokho angakakhula ngisho ngisakhula ngisazifuna ngisakhula so listening to me ngihlanganisa nabanye kuzongenza ukuthi ngingalahleki endleleni yami.
That's true. Umculo masingawubheka manje uyashifta. Awusafani nomculo wamacassette, umculo wama-record, umculo wama-CD lo wadlula. Umculo now usufuna ukuya online. uCandy wenze njani wena ukuthi so that umuntu noma uhlele eBritain wacabanga weza ukwazi manje sithi hayi kulomuntu okuthiwa uCandy Ncube oculayo wenze njani ukuthi akuthole manje?
All my albums are available on digital stores.
That's fabulous.
On all digital stores. Mawungathi nje Candy Ncube uzothola umculo wami. Ngiprefera ukuthi njengoba bengisazimaketha ngcono umculo wami utholakale ukuze uwazi ukuthi mawusithi ufuna uCandy owenzani noma nje imali ya online ingekho kangako but
ingakabi khona
yes ingakabi khona kangako but then let them know me.
Yeah, it's true.
Step leso sokuthi ngibe nemali siyeza okwamanje ngisase to get people to know me. Although I'm celebrating 10 years in industry, I've never failed.
Congratulations.
Thank you. I've never failed. I keep on going. Lapho ngiperforma khona nje I give it all. Ukwenzela ukuthi nomuntu ongibonayo, nomuntu obengangazi, nomuntu obenga expect ukuthi uKenda ngasinikeza lokho. But maye mbukele nje athi ngubani manje lo you understand ngithanda ukuthi kubaculi bonke mangabe uthole lelo thuba especially kubacula abasafufusa mangabe uthole lelo thuba wabizwa estage mawufika estage awungabheki ukuthi izitulo zinabo bani ungabheki ukuthi izitulo zinabantu abangaki. Always be yourself. Always be yourself. Yabona mawungaba nguCandy everywhere. Okunabantu abalushwani benguCandy, okunabantu abaningi ube nguCandy, then you will win.
Sisken, angaze mhlawumbe ngilandele kakhulu mhlawumbe sunama videos abantu abangabona mhlawumbe ngoba ukhuluma nge5 albums. Kulawo ama albums ngiyazi ukuthi amanye emadala kudala bekusenzwe iDVD umuntu akhipha iCD yaphinda akhiphe neDVD inengoma lezo. Ngiyazi ukuthi manje sinawe challenge kodwa ama videos unawo.
Ama videos nginawo. As I said, my first album yaphuma ne video ne DVD like as usasayenza ema DVDs and then uJesu Kikhoshi.
That was 10 videos or
yes 10 tracks.
10 tracks.
That was 10 tracks 10 videos yes. And then uJesu Kikhoshi yes. uJesu Kikhoshi I did
Candy, ne?
Yes.
Okay, Candy Ncube YouTube
yeah,
and Candy Ncube YouTube guys kukhona ialbum
ibizwa Kyalebuga
full 10 videos.
Yes. And then uJesu Kikhoshi I did only Jesu Kikhoshi song.
Okay.
Video yakhona. Yes, it's available online Jesu Kikhoshi. And then on this one Nako ya Maliba I did Nako ya Maliba.
Yeah, that one I saw ngumfaka as well. That one I saw ngumfaka. When are you doing the other ones?
That one intandokazi yomuntu wonke. So now I'm preparing to do the launch ye Nako ya Maliba.
As the album, as the project, the whole project.
Yes, the whole project. Kulapho ngizoshuta khona some other songs ngizokwazi ukuthi ngifake labantu
mhlambe nayi chance ungasho ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi kube nini so that abantu babe ready ba prepare so that siba khona on the launch ukuthi
I was thinking for May. I'm still checking on some of the things. Yeah, but I was thinking for May lapha eJozi la kuClaim no Smith.
Okay,
kunendawo lapha yana Alexander Flat namaholo ngaphakathi.
Okay.
Yeah, because most of my shows I've been doing them in Tembisa.
Okay.
So now
we are trying
popular demand abantu bathi at least eJozi. eJozi is a central abantu they can afford.
Usiskendi bafowethu nizwile album yakhe eyokugcina lesinayo yiyo efutha umlilo. Engicabanga ukuthi abantu abaku gospel circle bayayazi ikakhulu amasiyoni nami ngingasimsiyoni eyangithinta lengoma ngase ngithi awuthi ngimdinge lo muntu mangimdinga then ngithinta abantu ngapha nangapha njengomuntu osendaweni zomculo abantu bathi bewulokho ngakamazi no it's easy to get this sisi uyenza so then ngamthola today ngijabule kakhulu bafowethu ukuthi ukhona uSisi Candy and njengomuntu wegospel ngicabanga ukuthi uzochiye busisile kakhulu la nokuthi nizwe ukuthi asihambanga sayobaza omunye umuntu sathi uCandy uzomela shaye nje ivoice encane nimuzwe ukuthi we Sis Candy ngicela ukuthi ushaye kancane njengoba nje 30 seconds.
Siyabonga kakhulu ialbum le eshisayo nako yamaliva the right time ngayicaphuna ku Isaiah 60 evesini lika 22 ethi ma isikhathi sesifikile mina ngingoNkulunkulu ngizokwenza kwenzeke akukho ongajika. That's why ngithi noma ngiyipromoter ngicaphuna lapha ethi ditsepiso tsamurena zonani feturi henako ifitlile yena waphetha gata ditsepiso tsamurena zonani feturi henako ifitlile yena waphetha
gata. UNkulunkulu akasibusisi namhlanje lana eAVG bakithi kuyobe kwenzeka enye into eseceleni ngempela. Siyabonga kakhulu dadewethu uCandy ukuthi uthathe isikhathi sakho uze la uzokhuluma nabalandeli beAVG News abalandeli beBayethe Media imaphi amazwi ongathi wena ungawashiya abantu ngizwile uthinta into yokuthi mhlambe nge4 May kuzoba khona mhlambe umsebenzi la uzobe usethula khona iproject yakho yona le entsha uyiletha ebantwini selokhu ushilo ukuthi kune video eyodwa esikhona kungaba ithuba elihle ukuthi kurecord ezinye ingoma kuleyo program project yakho ngalolo suku.
Siyabonga bengithe ngisabhekele kodwa ngisabhekile ezinye izinto akakabi official date
yamhla ka4 May
kodwa ke 4 May sicabangela official 4 May ukuze sikwazi ukuthi siqedelele ukushuta ezinye ingoma abantu befisa kakhulu ukuba ingxenye yale album.
Abantu bafuna ukuphuma.
Yes, abantu bafuna ukuphuma bayibonile le inako yamaliba bayibonile inako yamaliba indlela esishute ngayo. They definitely want to be part of it. Bayithandile kakhulu. So sizoyenza iofficial date, siyenze iofficial venue, sibazise abantu, sinxenxe nama sponsors since sisafufusa.
Ama sponsor ngiyacabanga ukuthi nilalele bakithi lapha
siyacela nathi ukuthi masenze ukuze imicimbi yethu nathi ibe sezingeni bhuti siyawadinga ama sponsors, imicimbi yethu iphephe siyawadinga ama sponsors ngoba masizenzela ngokuphuma ezikhwameni zethu sizenza lokho okuncane esikwazi ukuthi sifinyelele kukho kugcine kubonakala ngathi abantu begospel abanzi kahle kanti kulapho esifinyelela khona.
Kodwa ngicabanga ukuthi abantu abahleliyo laphana baningi abantu aba involved entweni le esiyenzayo iyomculo nokupromote umculo bakithi usisi uzolonja this thing enhle kakhulu engicabanga ukuthi iproject yakhe ngeyinye yama project angama bombshells endaweni yakithi engicabanga ukuthi sondelani bafowethu sihlanganeni sizameni ukuthi siqoqe ialbum launch ievent yakhe ibe ievent enkulu ngoba ezolonja umculo omnandi kangaka futhi elonja into esenza sibe ngabantu esizibonayo ukuthi ngokomculo sesifike kwenye level emnandi kakhulu.
Siyabonga bhuti singakhethi umuntu singakhethi bala lamuntu siyafisa ukuthi sithole isupport nanoma ngubani. Asikhethi ukuthi support ivelaphi. Siyabonga kakhulu nani ukuthi nikwazi ukuthi nisibone nisikhiphe siye ebantwini uthola ukuthi maybe njengokuba ngithe isikhathi mase sifikile sekuyisikhathi lesi uNkulunkulu usebenzise wena ukuthi ungise le ebantwini. uNkulunkulu usebenzisa umuntu onyatsekayo ebantwini njengoba wathubela uDavide wathi hamba uyomwisa uGoliath kodwa uDavide wengaso umuntu ongathi uyabonakala nje bedwa hayi uzomenzani lo indoda endengaka kodwa ngenxa ukuthi uNkulunkulu wayevele ehleli kuye esazi ukuthi injongo yakhe yini wamshaya nje kanye kwaba kanye nje so manje uNkulunkulu vele lento yabe seyihlelile izokwenzeka ngalendlela uNkulunkulu ayifuna ngayo. Now is the time
Bafowethu siyabonga kakhulu bakithi emakhaya kuthiwa sekuyisikhathi udadewethu Ken, she's the gospel singer, one of abantu engibahlonipha kakhulu masiza emculweni wezokholo bakithi. Iyeza iproject yakhe athi uzolontsha maduze ilanga uzoletha ngoba sicabangela nje kubo May kodwa lizobuya. Ngiyacela ukuthi uhambe lapha uyo subscribe ku channel yethu AVG News, uya subscribe ku AVG Reality, uphinde futhi usubscribe ku Bayethe Media, uhambe futhi uyo subscribe ku Kendi Ncube, then TC1 Production. Kuneminye imisebenzi kaSisi uKendi etholakala kuleya channel ye TC1 Productions. Sis ngiyabonga kakhulu isikhathi sakho sokuthi uze lana. Ngicabanga ukuthi njengomuntu wegospel uNkulunkulu uyasala esibusisa kakhulu.
Siyabonga kakhulu bhuti. Siyabonga.
uNkulunkulu uyanithanda emakhaya.
Thank you.